Welcome to Sniper Trades, where we help traders like you unlock your full potential. Today, we're diving into the inspiring stories of some of the top successful female traders in the world. These women have not only shattered glass ceilings, but have also set new benchmarks in the financial industry. If you're looking to elevate your trading game, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Let's start with Cathy Wood, the founder, CEO, and Chief Investment Officer of ARK Invest. Cathy's visionary approach to investing has turned ARK Invest into a powerhouse, managing over $24 billion in assets. Her ARK Innovation ETF has outperformed the market, even during turbulent times. Cathy's story is a testament to the power of long-term thinking and seizing opportunities when others are selling. Are you ready to think like a market disruptor? Next up is Linda Bradford-Rashke, a trader with over 40 years of experience. Known for her sniper-like precision in swing trading, Linda turned $1,000 into $10,000 by mastering chart patterns, volume analysis, and disciplined entry and exit strategies. Her story is a powerful reminder that education, timing, and patience are key to success in trading. Moving on to Cathy Lean, a Forex trading expert who began her career on Wall Street at just 18 years old. Cathy's deep understanding of market trends and her trend-following strategies have made her a respected voice in the Forex world. Trading with the trend is her mantra, because when the trend is your friend, profits are smoother and higher. Stephanie Link is another powerhouse in the investment world. Currently the chief investment strategist at Hightower, Stephanie is known for her barbell strategy, which balances safe investments with high-risk ventures. Her strategic approach to trading, focusing on timing, news, and technical analysis, has earned her a place among the industry's top traders. Ragy Horer. Ragy Horer, with nearly 35 years in the trading markets, has developed unique tools like grab candles and the 34 EMA wave, which are widely used by traders. Ragy's emphasis on a clear trading plan and dynamic risk management makes her strategies essential for anyone looking to succeed in Forex and stock trading. Elizabeth Stark. Elizabeth Stark, the CEO and co-founder of Lightning Labs, is making waves in the blockchain world. Her work focuses on creating scalable blockchain transactions, making Bitcoin payments easier and faster. For traders looking to capitalize on the future of blockchain and digital currencies, Elizabeth's insights are invaluable. Mem De Mirors. Last but not least, Mem De Mirors, a leading expert in digital currencies, is the CEO of CoinShares and a member of the YEF Blockchain Council. Meltem's work in promoting women's education in blockchain and her strategic investments in Bitcoin ventures have solidified her position as a top influencer in the crypto world. These incredible women have shown us that trading is not just a man's game. Their stories are proof that anyone, regardless of gender, can achieve greatness in the financial markets. If you're inspired by these success stories and want to take your trading to the next level, join our Sniper Trades community today. We offer exclusive insights, strategies, and a 7-day trial membership for just $50. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best. Click the link in the description to subscribe and become part of a community that's committed to your success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with other aspiring traders. Let's continue to break barriers together.